Meaning of externals.
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 Externals. Externals refer to factors outside of a system or organization that can influence its functioning and outcomes. These can include economic, political, social, and technological factors, among others. Understanding and managing these external factors is important for organizations to adapt and succeed in a rapidly changing environment. By anticipating and responding to external changes, organizations can minimize risks, capitalize on opportunities, and stay competitive. Ultimately, the ability to effectively navigate external conditions is crucial for achieving long-term success and sustainability.